Alright, fresh sunglasses, fresh haircut. It's actually quite nice in the shade at the moment. I'm in Canberra. There's no one around. I'm out in the middle of nowhere, but it's Summernats time, so it's time to put on the straw hat. Are you my Uber?
This guy negotiated with the guy checking him out on a damn car charge.
Who was checking who out?
I just got
Look, Kai, it's a big American truck.
Yeah, 24 F-150 plate on
I
it.
will say any F-Series truck we've seen here has been super nice, whereas in the States, 75% of them are beat to
The oldest Chinese one at like 40 grand.
Oh, GT Falcon, SLR 5000. You get the full Aussie experience here.
Yeah, I know. This is a lot of stuff that I don't know the details because I'm more VEVF, so a lot of this older stuff is yeah, it's super cool to see.
Well, that wasn't as smooth as the one, but yes, Kyle, we got your car into Summernats.
You have to bleep that out there.
No, I'm leaving it in.
Leave it in.
Yeah.
We're going to risk the
So
monetization.
you've been wondering this whole time what the number on that that is?
Oh, that makes sense.
That's your entry number, bro.
Hell yeah. Well, thank you. Here.
Fist bump there.
How did you pull that off? Just know somebody knows somebody?
I think we just got the entry.
Oh no, we didn't do.
Legit.
Well, I guess we'll see all the cars at the event.
That's a cool tow truck, bro.
I mean, if we go across the road,
yeah, we kind of catch it. Yeah. Alright, so we're just catching the tail end of the city cruise. That's cool, that's always there, it's a peel.
there he is.
You like the peel? It's your size?
Does he have aircon?
Probably. Look at that, that's really, really sick. Nice. Hey, spicy barra. So anyway, city cruise is the first big part of Summernats on the Thursday. Select number of cars get to go and basically hit the streets legally. Everything, Volvos, Chevelles, Commodores, Hot Rods, airbag Land Cruisers. And Roshi.
I'm doing all the content. I'm a content creator, I need to do all the content.
So I guess this sucks compared to like getting a Prius rent-a-car or something.
Yeah, I know. I would have rather had a rental for sure. It's done very well. I think Christopher made a pretty good choice in the Papos.
It did well.
I was dubious at first, but I think you nailed
I was
it.
like, oh man.
You nailed it.
I'm like, I hope we have enough time to switch it to King Springs or back to stock or something. That's how bad I thought they were going to ride.
So how much were they?
600.
So that's like what,
Marketplace.
400 US probably for a full set of coilovers, and it honestly does not.
Brand new as well, inbox.
Brand new Fapos, and it rides pretty good.
But I didn't buy them brand new. I bought them off Marketplace.
Sorry,
So
secondhand.
it's all Marketplace. You can't.
They were new to you.
Yeah, new to you.
Yeah, secondhand used. So we've got 4 people in here with stuff in the back, and it still has only scraped a handful of times. But it's not the bad scrape. It's the scrub.
I've got tread on my tire scrape.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Yeah.
It's just checking that it's there.
Yeah.
So yeah, no, I think it was a good choice. Maybe next time we'll try half a week to buy it.
Yeah.
Instead of a week.
Really turn
What
on
are we
the
getting next year then?
I don't know. I mean, if this
We'll do
makes
red
it back,
Summernats, so that's to drive to Alice Springs.
yeah. Put on the group chat. I'm like, what was the number that you did? I'm like, maybe it's like a group key or something.
That's Roshi with 4 wires.
That's it.
Yeah. Hey, no, so I'm just he's American, so I'm just educating him.
Yeah.
It's an RB30.
Okay, so Nissan motor in a Holden.
Order?
Yeah.
It's all stock, completely stock.
We'll do that.
They're limited. This is your official shut up! No, just kidding. This is your official welcome to Australia, Kyle.
Oh, hell yeah. Big thumbs up for that. For the guys who can't see on the camera, that is the entrance pass. So let's go, just in the windshield. Want me to go that way?
They're putting the stickers on there.
Right, got that. So same with that wagon that you saw at the servo. What's his name?
We're in Summernats. What's going on?
Yeah, in Summernats, did not expect this.
Everyone's holding cameras up. This is hilarious. And the guy that's the main camera guy here is like
now.
just chilling.
He's got the camera for this.
So there's a big camera guy in the back here, but yeah. So we're in Summernats now. There's a entrance pass there and there. We got the wristband and shout out optic. Yeah, boys. Whatever you say.
How you
Uppa.
doing?
Uppa. Yeah, Uppa.
Yeah, give us a little something, Chris.
No. Please not to drive.
So this guy here's got the Summernats haircut. He's got the VK Interceptor fucking shirt on, and he's yelling at cars to do burnouts.
You know, that's what Summernats is about. Come on!
Like right here.
Come on, get up, mate! Come on, mate!
Would you look at that nice wagon over there?
Yeah, it's a Perla. A bit browner, but Perla.
It looks like, oh, this is like Pro Town Summernats spec. We have now got walkways across. How's it go, Kyle?
Up there! Good, Chris.
He's been here for 2 hours and he's already Aussie.
I'm gonna wear that word out this whole time.
Just need a little bit of water.
This is what's good about Summernats. You don't need to bring a 1,000 horsepower car here. It's just like, this is cool because this is a Datsun 1200 Ute. They've got the 1200 or maybe 1400 depending on what they've done. And then over here we have a Pro Street style VK Commodore with big rubber in the back and a boosted LS. So
Yeah.
it's a mad mix of
A little
cars.
bit in between.
These dudes are from America. So
America?
yeah,
US.
actual Americans.
Nice to meet you. What do you like about Summernats? Tell the Americans that are watching.
All the burnouts. Yeah, nice like straight machines.
You've been prepping that haircut for a while? What's going on there?
Give us a little shake
Yeah.
of the hair.
For a year now.
Nice.
Right.
Is your first Summernats?
This is mine first. He's like cool.
Nice. The seasoned veteran. Nice.
Yeah. Have a good one, boys. Have a
You
good
too.
one.
This is how I read the situation. It's upper to get up, like, do it scared, and then it's limmy.
See, we're still learning this. This is your
Look, I could be wrong. Please correct me in the comments below. I reckon it's
like limit?
Yeah, limit. Like the taco did.
But that's a bit slow.
Tomorrow we're kicking off
Jump it.
And then
it's when it's an up and then it's...
coming out in
yeah.
couple cars. I'm going to have a...
How many RPM was talking? How many RPM?
Oh, 7, 8,
Right now, they're
8,000.
going to hear some...
All the way out. All the way out.
A bit low.
One down the side.
That'll be you on Sunday afternoon in the VE.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. It's the end of Thursday and we're all a bit hot and bothered, but we're down on the burnout pad. Thanks to Jeff down there, the burnout pad manager, absolute legend, good dude. Car's looking a bit dusty, but look at this. Good spot for a photo or two.
Hell yeah. Camera guy now.
I think you got a handful there.
Alright, so
Did not expect this.
Summernats day one.
Day one.
What do you boys think of Australia?
Honestly, like it's hard to answer that question because there's just so much that's happened. Like,
Yeah.
I mean, the differences between here and America are huge, but at the same time, it still feels like home in a way, like very very.
I mean,
similar.
like we feel like we fit in. At least for me. I mean, a little bit of a bogan at times, but yeah,
And
really good.
this is Thursday, dude.
This is Thursday.
It's
the guy,
just warming up.
what's his name?
Jeff.
The guy that was down there.
Yep.
He said, "Did I hear you say that you thought today was busy?" And I'm like, "Yeah." Like I figured this was busy, and apparently it's not busy. So
No, yeah, and I think this is, I can't remember to be honest, I think this is my 29th Summernats. So, and this is Summernats 38, so I've done a few. There's people that have been here 38 times, which is wild, but...
And what about people that have got on the pad?
Oh, yeah.
I mean, I'm actually asking, not many.
What's that? Oh,
Like pad access like this?
I don't think it's like that exclusive, but I think, you know, you got to know the right people to get on here, and it's also a high level of trust because we're just taking photos, you're not doing anything stupid,
Right.
so, yeah. But next year you could come back and go on the pad.
Yeah,
You
we
just have to
could.
build a burnout car.
Leave this here.
Yeah. Yeah, it could ruin a perfectly good VE wagon.
As Christopher says, an absolute weapon.
I am so stoked, even though it's really dusty now, how good this car looks now, considering it had like horrendous big mud flaps on it.
HoonTV.
What?
HoonTV.
HoonTV.
TV.
You know they're Americans when they're wearing white sneakers on a burnout pad.
Both of us.
It's actually super clean at the moment, surprisingly.
I've actually done it before at Cletus and Cars Indy last year. I wore another pair similar to these
you did
shoes,
ruin them.
and I ruined those. But this is okay. It's calmed down a little bit enough.
Look at that sun too, that's amazing.
Sorry.
Roshi from YouTube.
That's it.
Roshi from YouTube.
Subscribe, like,
This is Roshi.
share. Even though I haven't posted anything yet. But
Like,
when I
comment,
do,
subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe.
That's it.
AI is damn good these days. That's all I gotta say.